Week 2 is upon us, and I'm ready to make this website my bitch.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today is a big day. I'm super excited. We are going to live cop Supreme's Fall Winter 21 Week 2.
Why are you gay?
Which is obviously highlighted by the Yankees collaboration, one of the all-time great baseball teams in the United States and probably the entire world. But what makes a Yankees collaboration even more important with Supreme is that Supreme is based in New York. The Yankees are a New York institution. And I do want to apologize for all the Mets fans out there, mainly just for being Mets fans. So today I am actually back at home. Some of you probably didn't know I had a home. You probably just thought I lived in like hotels and ships everywhere. But yes, I am home. I get to do my live copying from the house. Good friend of the channel, Lewis, has blessed me with the use of his bot. I will be using Turo today. What the fuck? I'm sorry, manual boys. We'll still go manual, but I'm the biggest proponent of if you can't beat them, join them.
Yeah, boy.
When I get a shot to use a nice bot like this, I will take it. I didn't have a lot of time to set it up this morning, and I don't have a lot of time to finish this intro, but I do have just enough time to tell you two things. One, if you're watching this video, and you like this video, why don't you subscribe to the channel? The more subscribers I get, the more giveaways I'm going to do, just like this giveaway above for the Supreme Fishbowl. So if you want a Supreme Fishbowl, check out this video above. Watch the video. I tell you what to do to get entered. You just need to do that by the 14th of September. So if you're the type of person that likes free stuff, I don't know, maybe enter the drawing. And number 2, join the free Discord. Basically, it's a free cook group. I have seen multiple members cop items just because they were in my group, which makes me feel really, really good. Because I know a few years ago, I had nothing, I had no one to help me, and I was just fumbling about trying to buy things randomly. As soon as I joined a cook group, my life changed. It made me want to start doing these videos. It changed so much. It basically helped me go from wanting to cop things to actually copying things. Which in hindsight, it's way better to cop things than to not cop things. Links in the description and obviously right here. Okay, now I am really running out of time, so I'm gonna head over to the computer. Most likely I'm gonna have some sort of technical difficulties because I haven't been here in a while. So let's head over there right now. Well, I didn't check the audio settings, so I didn't have any audio to capture. But we have Turo up there. I'm about to start the tasks, and boom, it started. As I'm refreshing the Supreme page here, it just like bricks out on me. I thought the whole thing crashed, so now I'm like, oh man, I gotta do everything manual. But I knew that I was going to go manual for the boys. I'm continually refreshing the page. I just decide, you know what, leave it alone. It either is going to run or it's not. And for some dumb reason, I go right after the denim jacket, and I try to get a large denim jacket, like that's ever going to happen. Wah, wah. No thanks. Okay, so I go in and try to get this track jacket. Add the extra large in there. For some reason, this denim jacket will not leave my cart. Got the autofill on because that's cardinal autofill, guys. You should use it. I got captured bad today too, like everything. I don't know if everyone was getting it or if it's just me, but my Gmails are not up to snuff anymore, and boom, high traffic error. Thank you very much, high traffic error. The definition of stupidity is doing something again and thinking you'll have a different result. There it is. Then all of a sudden, Turo popped back up, so I'm gonna try to hurry and start all the tasks again, but they start back up, and it does not look promising. Looks like I completely failed, miserably. Feeling bad, so it's time to buy something for no reason. So I grabbed this hoodie. Of course, I'm just going to single cart a hoodie because that is the smart thing to do. Obviously get captured again. Many captions. My Gmails are completely busted again with the captcha. It's like 3 in a row for this particular one. So I was going to wait for this to fail and then go back and try something else. But of course, it's something I don't want, so yes, yay, we got it. So then the taste of success gets to me and I decide, hey, I need some track pants. Do the same thing, get captured again. What is going on with these captchas? Why are my Gmails so destroyed? However, we are in the money because we end up with a fancy set of small track pants. Then I went back and tried to buy the track jacket, but I saw this, and it said you already bought one of these items. I obviously did not buy the tee, so then I'm like, well, maybe one of these went through on the jacket. So then I just checked the checkout tab in Turo, and what? Yes, I ended up with a denim jacket, I ended up with the denim pants, and I ended up with a large track jacket. It basically cooked while I thought it was crashing. I'm glad I didn't mess with it because it ended up getting everything that I wanted. Got him cooking, cooking, got him cooking, cooking, got him cooking, cooking, got him cooking, cooking. If that's not a meme, I don't know what is, but good golly, Miss Molly, it's worth it. Unbelievable. You know what? We did it. We did it together. You guys inspire me to go above and beyond. This 100% all goes out to Lewis. The only reason I copped any of the good stuff was because he allowed me to use this bot. Obviously, it was amazing. I thought initially that it crashed. You see, kind of it was on a white screen. I'm like, damn it, the bot crashed. Oh well, let's grab something manual. I was just gonna let it sit there in case, you know, it was running in the background or whatever. After I restarted it, I looked at the checkouts, and bang, there were 3 big checkouts. So I ended up with 1 large denim jacket, size 30 denim jeans, and the extra large track jacket. Basically, my little Supreme Grinch heart has grown 3 sizes today. And it's got a big Yankees logo on it. I'm glad that I'm going to be able to show you guys these items when they come in, hopefully within a week. I mean, that's the fun with Supreme. Most days they punch you in the balls. Some days they hand you gold bars. Bing. Today was definitely one of those gold bars. I think we need to do our prayers today, okay? Quiet. Shh. Dear Jebbia, thank you so much for letting me cop what I did today. I much appreciate your love and kindness. And if you do happen to release any dunks this year, please help a brother out. Bless you, Jebbia. I hear those go a long way to getting you in store. Alright, great results on a live cup, but now that is in the past. Let's live in the present, because presently there are 2 packages that UPS just dropped off that I finally got from week 1. What is that, like 3 weeks ago now? So I'm gonna go grab those, and we're gonna do the week 1 unboxing right the frick now. Alright, I got a bunch of stuff over there. I'm gonna start with this bag. Okay, so there were 3 items in this bag total. I paid for 3 items. Completely empty. No stickers. I whine about getting box logo stickers, and they don't even send them now. No cards, no box logo stickers, no nothing. But we did get some decent little items, so let me show you those. Okay, so first off, we have a stack tee, large in black. It's honestly not a bad tee, and after I was looking at it online, plus everything else was sold out, I bought one of these in large. Most likely I'm going to keep it for myself, but I'm not going to do quite anything with it just yet. This is turning out to be a personal bag. Yeah, so the next one is the Afro Skater Tee, or what they've renamed the Shadow Tee. Like I said when I was reviewing it, this is one of the 3 original designs that Supreme did. It was this, the box logo, and the taxi driver picture. And the original one came on a white shirt, so I wanted to get one in a white shirt. I do plan on keeping this one for the personal though, just, you know, based on the nostalgic value of the shirt, all that kind of stuff. And finally, the big item out of this cart. This is the Arabic logo hoodie. I got this one in size large. What I really like about this sweater, and I didn't actually know before I bought it, if you take a look, you can see it's like got the little Chanel carpety kind of stuff on it, which is really kind of neat, especially since I don't feel like they taxed it that much for having this kind of application on it. Most likely this will end up in a different home, but we never know what the future holds. Now, I already pulled this one out of the box as well. That's right, folks, we went ahead and grabbed the Celtic Knot skateboard. I know it's not Celtic. I don't know why I was saying Celtic the other day. It's a Celtic Knot. I really did want this particular one, and I was able to catch it on a restock. Thank you very much, Supreme, for restocking and allowing me to pay the maximum amount for shipping that I could for one item. Thank you. But I really like this board, and I would have probably bought it from someone online anyways. You thought I was gonna throw it, didn't you? No. Not throwing this one. Next is a hat box, so most likely this will be a hat. We did get a sticker in there, but more importantly, boom! Mini cards!
Can't get much better than this.
Look at that, some mini Bicycle Supreme cards. These are so little. Look at how little they are. That's it next to a box logo. So they're just a little bit taller than a box logo is tall. Okay, so at least I got some of these. I'm pretty glad. I didn't think I was gonna get any after the first package had absolutely nothing in it, and that one showed up 2 days ago. So sweet, we got some cards. So these are the regular sized cards versus the mini cards. So that's a good one. Glad to have both of them. And the item that came out of that box is the Wash Twill Camp Cap. and this is actually going to be a gift for the Lady Fauntleroy. Okay, wow, I actually wish I would have got the black one now. This is actually a very, very nice hat. This feels really nice. We got the nice leather clasps on the back, and I actually do kind of dig this pattern. It has kind of like a renaissance-y, strange vibe. It's not your average color. The quality is very nice, and it feels very nice. And like I said, this one's going to the Lady Fauntleroy because she needs a new hat.
Okay.
So far, not a ton of profit on week 1 for the old Fauntleroy here. A lot of personals. I did also get this in recently from an FTP drop, so technically I unboxed this on my own, but it is here and I'm wearing it, so this was a personal. Alright, and obviously we know what this is. The funniest thing about this, I actually got this to secure free shipping. Each of the items I bought in that cart were shipped separately, so now I have 3 different packages for just the one cart, which is insane to me. I picked up the red one after I already bought this one, otherwise I would have never grabbed this one as well. You hear that? This has never happened to me before out of a skateboard box. Another pack of mini cards. It's like Christmas over here today. I hardly ever get stickers out of a damn skate deck box, let alone a free gift. This is 1 of 1 for me. This is even crazier than copying that denim jacket earlier today.
Get some help.
This is a lucky win. This makes up for the other one. If anyone watched week 1, they should know what is in this box here. Obviously box logos. That's what's in this box right here. Bam! They gave me another set. This was 1 cart, by the way. The hat, the deck, and this item came in the same cart. So I got 3 free gifts with 1 cart. That's insane. But who cares about free gifts when you got a Supreme megaphone? I'm gonna do some Supreme rioting. We want box logos. I'm gonna do the whole next video with this damn megaphone.
No! God, please, no!
Oh my god. Hello? Hello? I gotta put batteries in it before it'll work. I mean, come on, look at this thing. Who doesn't want this thing? Look, it's got like the straps. That shit is legit. It's hardcore too. It's not bad. Oh damn, this shit takes some batteries though, man. Look at that. As soon as I rob a store to get enough batteries to put in this thing to make it work, I'm gonna try to yell at you, Lewis. I'm gonna see if you can hear me from here to Singapore. I'm using this thing in the next drop list video. I'm going to call out the winners with the bullhorn. If that doesn't lose me subscribers, I mean, nothing will, right? Way more fun making these videos when I cop something than when I do not. But I appreciate all you guys that watch either way. I hope you guys were able to get whatever you could this week from Supreme. Please let me know in the comments below. What did you get today? Did you get any of that Yankee stuff? And then obviously, as soon as I hear about the week 3 item list, I will jump back on YouTube with a video to talk about the top 5 items for week 3. Watch the fishbowl giveaway video and win a fishbowl. Other than that, hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend, and I will see you next video.